Hi, I'm Marcus from Archery Park. This is a little video to help you to put your new bow together. What we have here is a Black Hunter takedown longbow, and just note that modern longbows tend to be hybrids. So instead of having straight limbs, they actually have a recurve like a recurve bow. Don't get confused by this. They bend across and opposite of where they are pre-bent. Okay, so you're gonna find two limbs, a string, a handle or called a riser with two bolts, an Allen key, and there's normally a little fur square, but we put that on already. Take off the screws first. Here's something I prepared earlier. Find the lower limb. On the bottom inside, they have some writing. Put it at the bottom of your riser. Line up the metal thing with the hole. Put the bolt back on. Screw it tight, but not too tight. Just sort of a quarter or an eighth of another twist. Find the top limb. They have no writing on them. Line them up on the top. Put the bolt in. Screw it tight, but not too tight. Now your bow is assembled. That is how a hybrid bow looks. This is facing away from you. That is facing towards you. The writing is always at the bottom, always facing the archer. So this is a correct right-handed bow that is held in the left-hand side with the arrow shelf on the left. The writing is facing me and the curves are recurving away from me. Now let's string it. On your string, find the smaller of the two loops. That's the one for the bottom of your bow. Use your bow stringer. Put the closed side over the bottom. Put the saddle side over your limb. Push the string underneath. Hold it all in place. Step in your bow stringer and lift up your bow at the handle. And bring the loop over there. Let it go and voila, your bow is strung. You should check your brace height. The brace height is the distance between the deepest part of your grip and where the string sits. The best tool to use is called a bow square. You press that part into your handle and then you can read the distance to your string. Now this is just over 6.5 inch. The recommended distance is 7.5 to 8 inch. So you have to take the string off, wind it in until you reach this. 7.5 inch are about 19 centimeters. So just if you don't have one of these, you can just take a normal ruler and push it in there. And that's how you set up your bow.